but don't underestimate this. It's a great exercise and you want to make sure that you're doing it the right way. Hey guys, how are you doing? This is John Shoemate and this is liveanabolic.com. This is the place for guys over 50 years old who want to get in shape. I should know, I'm 62 years old. I can help you to get into the best shape of your life. So guys, today we're going to do 5 simple exercises that you can do in your own home. These are really easy exercises. Some of them are a little bit more entry level. So if you're just getting started, maybe you've had some type of an injury in the past and you want to go low key on this, these are the exercises for you. So let's get started. So guys, this very first one we're going to do is called alternating limb extensions. This is a great one to do if you're just getting started out. Maybe you've had some back problems in the past and you're working through some rehabilitation on that. And it's a great way to progress up to other back exercises. So it's really simple. You can get on the floor, on the carpet. I like to use a mat here. And we'll just get down like this. Okay, we want to have great posture, so you want to make sure that you've got your back straight and your butt up just a little bit. You want to have your head down so that your spine is straight. And we're simply going to take our right arm and our left leg and we're going to extend them out to the opposite wall like that. And then come back down and left arm, right leg, extend it back out like that and come back down. That is 1 rep. I want you to start out by doing 25 reps and doing 4 sets. Awesome, really great job. Now we're going to progress into what we call Superman, another great entry-level type of back exercise. Again, if you're coming off of any type of injury, doing any type of rehab, it's also a great way to progress up from the alternating limb extensions. This is just called the Superman and it's very, very simple. So we're going to get down on the mat or you can get down on your carpet and you're just going to lay flat like this and you're going to have your arms out in kind of a Y type of position, your feet about shoulder width apart. Again, you want to have your neck straight, so just put your forehead down on the ground and you're simply going to raise your head, your hands and your feet up off the ground. Hold that for a 5 count and put it back down for a 5 count. And back up for a 5 count. And back down for a 5 count. And again, I want you to work up to these, but get to the point where you can do 25 of these and do 4 sets. Hey, great job, guys. Okay, now we're going to do just the basic push-up. But don't underestimate this. It's a great exercise and you want to make sure that you're doing it the right way. Also, if you're starting out, I'll show you a couple ways that you can simplify and then progress up. So the first thing you need to understand is about having your body in a straight plank. And we've covered that before, but I want to show you how to do a plank if you haven't done that before. So we're going to get down on the mat on our elbows. We're going to have our feet shoulder width apart. Okay, and I want you to draw your navel in hard and squeeze your butt cheeks together, head down, spine straight, and simply come up with your hips in a straight line and squeeze. This is how you want your body to be during a push-up, and you don't want it to alternate. Okay guys, now that you got the plank down and you got your midsection secure, we're gonna go into some push-up variations. Now the first one I want to show you is simply called a knee push-up. It's a great way if you're just getting started. So you're simply going to get on your knees and you're going to come down on your hands. You want your hands about shoulder width apart, feet about shoulder width apart. You're going to drop down into your plank and squeeze that midsection hard, and then you can just go down halfway and back up. Halfway and back up. Then when you're ready to progress, you can go all the way down and all the way back up. Now when you're ready to progress beyond that, simply raise your knees up off the ground into your plank. Again, you can start with half reps, go halfway down and halfway up. Then when you're ready to progress, go all the way down and all the way back up, all the way down, all the way back up. Okay, and I want you to get to the point where you can do 25 of those and do 4 sets. Hey guys, great job. Okay, next we're going to do what's called a sumo squat. And this is one of my favorites to do at home. You only need 1 dumbbell. I'm going to be starting with a 35-pound weight. Typically I'll go higher than that, but you can go higher or lower depending on what's best for you. Now this is a great compound exercise for both your legs and your hips and for your lower back. So let me show you how we do this. You're simply going to get centered over the weight like this. It's really important now that you do your core squeeze and that you keep your back straight and you drop your hips straight down like this, and you're simply going to grab the weight, and I want you to keep yourself balanced across your foot, on the ball of your foot and on the heel of your foot, and you're simply going to push your feet down and come straight up, keeping your back straight, and push your hips forward and drop down, touch the ground, and come back up, squeezing the glutes all the way, and then back down. And then you can breathe, exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down. Now, depending on the weight you're using, you can progress, but I want you to get to where you're doing 15 reps and 4 sets of this. Guys, doing fantastic. Okay, the last of our 5 exercises is called Sumo Squats. This is a great way to do squats if you don't have a lot of equipment, and again, if you're just starting out and you're trying to develop a base level that you can progress up from. So I've got 2 dumbbells here on the ground. They're 25 pounds. That's a great weight for you to be starting with. So it's similar to the sumo squats, except we're going to have our feet just about shoulder width apart. Okay, and grab our weights. Now you want to make sure that you keep the back nice and straight, that you keep your chin tucked in and eyes level. And we're simply going to go straight down, touch the weights to the ground, and press up. And down, and press up. And you can inhale, and then exhale. So again, we always want to progress. I want you to start by being able to do 15 of these and do 3 sets. Guys, really fantastic job. So there you have it. 5 quick and easy exercises that you can do at home to start developing a base layer that you can progress off of. If you want to see more videos like this for guys over 50 and how to get in the best shape of your life, click on subscribe, click on the like button, and remember, obstacles are what you see when you lose sight of your goals. See you next time, guys.